there making it out. My favorite spot to start a lot of videos. But yeah, just getting out to give you guys some updates about different things, different trips I'm taking, different plans for the bobber potentially. But the first thing that I want to mention, because it's time sensitive, is less than a week, this coming Saturday the 29th, my friend Birch with the channel Life of Birch is having a meetup. All that I know is it's going to be that Saturday. It will be in the early afternoon and in Annapolis. Other than that, I don't know of anything at the moment. Haven't gotten any updates from him, but I will be giving as many updates as possible on my Instagram through the stories. If you guys want to go follow me over there, it's Atopper, like my YouTube channel, and I will get you guys as many updates as possible if you want to come out and ride with us. Should be a good time. I think he has like a little 30-ish mile loop out there, and I don't know, it'll be fun. Come hang out. Should be a good day. But until then, let's make it over to a little water spot in Dunkirk. A Triumph bobber? A Triumph?
That's better. I like it better.
Yes.
I know.
Awesome. So we have made it to the water spot. The reason why I picked this one today is because you have water on this side and also you have water on that side, so I knew I would get the right lighting. This has already been super nice because right away met a friendly neighbor, talked about different motorcycles, talked about different local routes and exploring and everything over Maryland, which has been super nice, and already have some new spots to check out. But as for the travel updates, I am going to go to New Hampshire next month with my family. We've never been there. We want to check it out. My wife went to college in Boston, so she still hasn't made it to New Hampshire, but she's a little bit more familiar with the area up there. I've never been there, and it's going to be a lot of fun to explore around and find new things, as well as there's a lot of railroad tracks that you can actually take trains on, and our son is obsessed with trains, so it's going to be super fun to take him out on those and explore. So the second trip that we have planned for this summer is going to upstate New York for a few weeks, up to a month. My sister-in-law is having another kid, so we're going to go up there and hang out and get to meet them and just have a fun time up there. So I will aim to probably do a meetup ride up there. It will be nice, cooler weather, and fun to explore around and meet you guys, potentially from Canada as well. It will stink that people that are local down here potentially won't make it unless they want to do a trip, but it will be fun. I want to get out, explore, meet people everywhere.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how about you?
Good, it's a beautiful day out.
It is. I will keep you guys updated on those plans, as well as regardless of a meetup or not. If you guys are up there, let me know and we can aim to meet up and ride. I already have a couple planned rides I want to do. Like I said, a couple weeks, so I will have a lot of time to actually get out and do different rides. It'll be fun. So the update for the bobber is I have decided that I'm gonna... How did all these spider webs get here so fast? I cannot see anything besides spider webs. So I've decided now that I have the bike set up how it is, it feels really good and solid, so I've decided I'm actually going to get rid of the risers and the drag bars that I bought for it, just because I would have to get aluminum bushings for it, and these are the firm ones for the ape hangers, and they're still not firm enough. So I've decided that if I do get different bars again, it's going to be the TC Bro window bars. They have the same drag bar on top, but it has a 3-piece welded on the bottom to give it the height that I want. But with the bike feeling so solid as is, I don't know if I'm going to even bother doing that. If I do, probably won't be until fall, winter time later this year. But I'm going to grab some pictures and then make my way, because it is such a beautiful day out. And as much as I enjoy taking pictures of it, I'd rather be riding it. Awesome. So that was a super nice spot, very peaceful, very enjoyable. Actually, can I fit around this? Alright, so the guy that I talked to told me about this spot. I almost forgot it, but it is actually super peaceful, super pretty down here. We're going to grab a picture and then make our way back.